What is up, people? Today we have an unboxing, quite a big unboxing. Let me squat down and show you guys so you can appreciate. Watch the techers, watching that back. As you can see, got a big unboxing to do today. These are my, oh, look at that form. It's all in the legs. These are my sneaker collections from Sneakers Day and from Yeezy Day. Today we're gonna do a big unboxing. I'm not gonna split them. I'm just gonna go in and show you guys what I copped. So let's get to it. What's crack-lacking, people? It is your boy, it is your dog, it's your brother from another mother, aka the Lifestyle Surgeon, aka Dr. Vassell, aka Wayne. And welcome back to another Crep Check, where you guys guessed it, we check out everything crep related. Big unboxing to do today, plus special guest who's featuring today. Let me go and bring a special guest in. So, our special guest today is man like KDV. You're not gonna say hello to the camera. Kenji. He's been asking me for a long time, see if we can perch you up there. He's been asking me for a hot minute, how comes he's not getting a feature? He wants to show his creps as well. Do you? Yeah, you do. You do. So, Kenji, man like KDV, is sporting his Jordan 1s in the orange and black colorways. You guys can appreciate. He always keeps it fresh to death. It's gonna be me and Kenji double teaming today as much as possible because it is daddy daycare. Oh, understand. Understand in your Jordan 1s. You don't feel it yet. All right, let's get you back. Say bye. Bye-bye.
5 minutes later.
And today, like I said, we have the Sneakers and Yeezy Day unboxing. Got quite a few to get through, so I'm not going to make this any more longer than it needs to be. So where to start? So if you guys haven't already checked out the videos, you need to go and check out my Yeezy Day review on what the day was like. It was a particularly challenging day for me because I was on call shift. So I had to be running around the hospital through A&E with notoriously dodgy hospital Wi-Fi trying to cop. So yeah, good insight into Yeezy Day. So check that out, the link is here. Go look at that video. Another point to note, some really important things about Sneakers Day. If you haven't seen that video also, I'd recommend you click this link above and go and check out that video for my review on Sneakers Day. Yeezy Day and Sneakers Day are kind of on polar opposite ends of the spectrum. So good watches. If I was you, check that out and go and take a look and see what I mean. Without further ado, let's get into this. I'm gassed, like I say. Every day I get a new box to open, it feels like Christmas. I got like Christmas 6 times over. Let's get into it. Boom. What do we have here? We have 700s. We have the Yeezy 700s in the, what does it say? It says brag. The tag code is GYO189. 700s. So let's see what we've got. So with all these sneakers, I'm gonna do a proper review, but this is really just to get through the kind of things that I copped over Yeezy Day, so you guys can kind of get a flavor. So, oh, these are the 700 Clay Browns. We've got the Clay Browns in the house. Okay, so these were a Yeezy Day cop. This is when I got exclusive access. I managed to bag these. Point of view so far, interesting, an interesting sneaker. I'm looking forward to trying these on and kind of giving you my honest, in-depth review of them. So far, I think if I'm going to give you my just off-the-cuff opinion, I think they look a lot better in person than they do on the pictures. But yeah, lots of character, lots of detail going on with these 700s. Look forward to sending you guys a more in-depth review. 700. I did notice there was something else in the box, actually. I don't know, what is this? Oh, extra laces. Lovely, I love extra laces. I just don't know why they just gave me another pair of blacks. It'd be nice maybe to get a different color. I don't know, maybe brown, I don't know. But another pair of laces. Anyway, as you saw, that's the Yeezy 700. Put that aside, be there. Next, on the podium. Again, probably one of the best feelings ever. Love doing this. Adidas make it nice. Yeah, that feels good. I'm not gonna lie. So we have, drum roll please, another pair of 350s. What 350s do we have? Let's take a look. So we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zyon colorway. So get these out. Here we go. The Zyons. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. When I caught these, I was a bit like, I feel like I'm just getting these for the sake of getting them. But I must admit, I think these again look better in person than they do in the pictures. I'm really loving the look of this. I like the contrasting heel, and I like that this here is transparent if I take out the paper, and you guys can appreciate, see my fingers through. But yeah, this is semi-transparent. I like that detail. Quite like it. I'm impressed, pleasantly impressed with the Zyons. Yeah, looking forward to giving them a more in-depth review. Right, we're getting through these thick and fast. So now we have another one, and again a process that I just adore. Just makes such a lovely noise. What do we have? What do we have? Adidas seem to send the hugest of boxes. 700. I've got another 700. What ones do we have? Oh yes, we have the MNVNs. The triple black. You guys can see the tag. So, let's see what these are about. Okay, put you guys down for the moment. Oh, you know what? I've got to say it again, you know. These are all right. Again, another sneaker from Yeezy that I feel looks better in person than it does in the pictures. The triple black looks good. Yeah, happy with that so far. Happy. Probably trainers that I don't know if I would have dived in to get. Yeah, happy with that so far. Not bad. So, getting hot in here. Just wipe off the brow. Okay. The studio's starting to lavender. We have another cute little box. Let's see what this one is. Okay. Give me the good stuff. Ah, I know what this is. So this isn't actually really from Yeezy Day. This just came along for the ride. So my last pair of football boots were talking to me. So I realized it was time to get some new boots. So I got the Predator Freak boots. So, hey, we do sneakers here, so appreciate its aesthetics. Quite like it. For me, when it comes down to football, I like a laceless boot. I just like the fact that I can just pop my boot on quick and it's done. In winter, my fingers are just useless. They go numb. I can't use them. They're just like sticks. So if I'm fiddling with laces, the team will be shouting at me, Wayne, hurry up, what's going on? We need you to be the Don. So yeah, so for me, it's laceless all the way. And this is actually quite nice. I like the design, just black with white. I like it says Demon Scale and it's got the Predator on the back. So I think that's all of the Adidas cops. Let me know in the description down below what you guys think. If you are feeling them or not. I love to have these conversations with you guys. This sneaker game is all about community, and I love the community. Like I said, don't forget to check out my Sneakers Day and Yeezy Day review. These are the last sneakers that I have. Can't believe it's come to an end already so soon. This is my cop from Sneakers Day. So, pull for sport. Is that how Nike are going on? So let's do what they tell us. Ooh. We pulling for sport. So, hey, Nike ain't playing with this box, guys. Look at this. Jeez. This box is gonna be up there, boy. I don't know, it might kick off the sword box. Look at that. Flight. Got the flight, we've got the air. I don't really talk much about the other boxes, but I think we're all accustomed to them. I will do in my reviews, but there's nothing really different with the Yeezy boxes. We've got the 700, we've got the Boost, we've got the 350, we've got the Boost, you know, we're used to it. But this, well, I ain't used to it, with the bright yellow, and then like the gray and black paint splashes. It's a nice box. Like, look how much time I've spent just admiring the box. Let's get to what's inside. The Jumpman and the flight. Inside. Sneakers Day, what do you have for me? Yes. Man's first pair. A bit bad, it's my first, but first pair of Jordan 4s. Look at that. In the Tor yellow colorway. These are standout. There is no way I'm going to be able to hide into the background when I'm dropping these. I'm loving them. Nice. Yeah. Look out for my in-depth review, guys. But I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. The studio is now a proper mess, but we are good to go. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm going to be reviewing all of these sneakers in depth. I'm going to go through the painstaking details for you guys so you guys know what you're going to get if you're going to buy them. Also, look out for future Crep Check videos. A lot's happening, a lot's going down. You get me? So if you've enjoyed this video, please drop your boy a like. Your boy needs your likes to continue to grow this channel, to continue to bring you this content, bring you the stuff that you want to see. Drop me a like, subscribe. I will love you loads. Guys, have a blessed week. We out. Peace.